The manic nature of today's workplace often impacts on our ability to effectively forward plan. With pinging email and instant messaging, physical and online meetings, our attention is often fragmented. Whilst projects and tasks are moved forward, there's often little time left for real work to be done, leaving workers feeling stressed and overloaded. The challenge in setting up workplaces is to successfully achieve tangible goals rather than working amongst the busyness or the noise of electronic paper shuffling. Often when working with clients, their default position is to focus on dealing with what seems in the moment the most pressing tasks or tasks as they arrive. I call this type of focus next step. Whilst this type of next step thinking is a valid strategy, after a while it can end up feeling like a constant juggling of hot potatoes. Dealing with matters important to others, but to the detriment of our own tasks and goals, which can leave you feeling exhausted both physically and mentally. While it may seem counterproductive in the moment, the old adage of it takes time to make time is more relevant now than ever. A client reached out to me recently for help with an Excel spreadsheet. It had evolved over time and they were struggling to get accurate information out of it. It was taking them almost half a day of valuable client face time to get the data they needed out of it every month. Rather than keep doing the same thing and expecting a different result, which is Einstein's theory of insanity, they recognised they needed help identifying what to do. The client was a specialist in their area of expertise and by no means considered themselves an expert in Excel. This regular data analysis process was merely one of the many tasks that were charged to do as part of their management role. We discussed what the data looked like when they received it, along with what their desired outcome was. Then, like any project, we deconstructed the steps and created a process. It took less than an hour. Given the task was only undertaken monthly, without a process, the risk was the steps required to produce the data they needed could be easily forgotten. The benefit of this type of process thinking is twofold. Firstly, it provides a framework to follow that has been tested to work every time. Secondly, it provides a structure that can be shared with team members who may also have a need for similar reporting. Today's workplace is fast-paced with workers focused on addressing what's next rather than creating processes. Unfortunately, it isn't until someone leaves the organisation that those left realise, a bit like Elvis, the internal capability has left the building. So is your organisation process-focused or next step focused? If you'd like some help, sign up immediately for my free monthly productivity pointers. The link's below.